Good morning to everyone and welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to cover USD versus Japanese yen. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil, and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the USD versus Japanese yen first. What we have here, this is a daily time frame, and 2 trading days ago, we had a big flush down. The market managed to close well off the low, and which will just It's just a strong sign that the buyers kicked in very aggressively from 147.35 mark. Yesterday we had a pretty much narrow day, and today market tried to sell off, and we had a reaction from buyers. So here we can see this supply trend line where the market is right now trading. So market basically tried to sell off into the pin bar, and this is hourly time frame. But then the buyers kicked in, and now we're in this key supply trend line. So anything meaningful to the upside, I would like the market to break, I will say like 149.20 and hold above. And that can be a good sign for the potential retest to 150 or even 151 mark. And for the downside, only really if we can trade below this pin bar low at 147.28 and hold below, then this can open the door for some bigger downside move and then hold below. That will be a good sign for the further downside movement and maybe even towards the 146 mark. But at this point, the buyers are trying to take control, and this is a more likely scenario to resolve. And this is a downside is alternative scenario just in case of some bigger drop, and if we can take the pin bar low. The weekly time frame, if we go, there is still this swing high that is not tested, like at 151.85 mark. Now going into the gold market, we had a strong downside movement in the last 10 days, and market broke. We broke the triangle. We spoke about this, and so far I don't see any buying power to react. Seems like absolutely sellers are in control. Yes, we had an inside day yesterday. Buyers tried something on a rally 2 days ago as well, but this is all very weak rallies. Even the fact that we got multiple days down, there is no real reaction of the buyers at this point. So the likely scenario at this point is for market to continue to go down and eventually attack the 1,800 area, 805, which is this mini support cluster in the daily. And then if we can break that and hold below, then even we can open the door for the 1730 to be on the test, or short midterm even 1620 to be on the test. So still at least potential to test the 1,800 area, 1,805 area. Alternative scenario, this is how it looks like on an hourly time frame. Alternative scenario will be if we can really trade above 1833 and then hold above on the pullback, then there is a maybe chance for the retest of 1856 first. But that's not the case at this point, and seems like the sellers are taking control, and that we have very well defined intraday resistance around 1830 mark. So further downside is a more likely scenario to unfold on the gold market. Crude oil market, we spoke about potential for the downside, so everything started when the market made a bear divergence and momentum, and we got here, then rejection here, and the sellers took control. So market went pretty much like almost 8.26% to the downside based on this after this down day. But here we have quite an important level. We have the swing high from like August 9 and 10, and 84.50 area seems like a support area. But we had a strong down day yesterday, so today we might see some narrow day, maybe even some reaction day. Now we don't have any signs for the reversal. We had some bear flags on the way down. This was another mini bear flag. So far sellers are in control. But pay attention on this level because we might see some rotation around this level. If not, if we can still see selling pressure, then the next pivot level based on a daily time frame is probably around 82 mark, 82.20 mark. So that will be the next level to watch. And if we speak about Bitcoin versus US dollar, again, big sideways regime. We spoke about this. Still, market is trading somewhere in the middle of this bigger trading range. We had this resistance where the market respected around 28,500 mark. Still, market is trading in around the sideways area here. So either the downside rotation towards the low, so 25,400, or if we can break and hold above, then there is a chance to retest 31,000 mark. So those are the two scenarios around this area that might be in the play from my perspective. That will be all for this update, guys. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe as always, and speak to you from tomorrow morning.